Begin sitting on the floor with your legs out in front. Raise your arms overhead. Cross your wrists with your left wrist above the right. Extend through the upper body, folding forwards to clasp your feet in your hands. The right hand should be holding the left foot and the left hand holding the right. Next, raise your left elbow and armpit so that you can twist your abdomen and chest to face upwards. Take your gaze up to the sky past your upper left arm. Extend through your heels and gradually rotate the torso outwards to deepen the stretch. Repeat on the opposite side.